we are looking at how to say good. The word good or the expression good in Russian, as if somebody asks you how are you going today? You say good. This is how you spell it. If that doesn't help, this may. Good in Russian translates as хорошо. Ha-ra-sho. Хорошо is how you say good in Russian if you want to say very good, because you going very good or something is very good. Очень хорошо. Очень хорошо is very good. Otherwise, хорошо is how you say good in Russian. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.